So hello everyone. In today's video, we are learning about the directives. So let's learn about the definition of the directives. So directives are classes that add additional behavior to elements in your Angular application. Okay. So it's simply just add an additional behavior to your elements. Okay. Just changing your changing the color of your text or making it properties of the text, anything. We have different properties of the text, no? So it will change all these properties. Okay, it's just like that. That's much simple. Okay, directive just add the additional behavior to your elements. If you want to change some additional behavior to your elements, then you can add it with the help of directives. It is as much as simple. Okay, so directives are meant to be a function that executes when found in the DOM by the Angular compiler to extend the power of the HTML with new syntax. Okay, so it extends the power of the HTML basically as we don't need to change in the HTML page or our view page. For that, we have generated a directive, and with the help of directive we can change the properties of the HTML or add the additional behavior in the HTML properties. Okay, and we also have the three types of Angular directives: component, structure, and attribute. But we are not gonna learn these types in this video. We will learn these types in the further videos, but today we are just see what are the directives. So let's go to our VS Code and see what are the directives. It's too much simple if you learn that. So here we are in our VS Code. Okay, we have to generate okay, open the terminal. Now first of all we have to generate directive. So this is our Angular file, and now we need, first thing is that we have to generate a directive. Like we have generate the components, generate the modules in Angular. So in the same way we have to generate the directive first. So how do we generate? Ng, G for generate, and directive, and the directive name. Like we have to change the color of a text, so we can write it name a change color, the name of the director, and just hit enter. Okay, so you can see here it will give two files. One is the change color dot directive dot spec dot ts for the testing file, and the second one is our main directive file in which we are gonna change. Okay, change color dot directive dot ts. So you can see here change color dot directive dot ts. So this is our main directive file, with the help of which we can change the properties of the HTML element. Okay, so let's see how. And where is our HTML file? Okay, this one. Okay, so in our directive file, first of all we need uh, element ref we have to import here, because with the help of this we are changing the color L, or we are just giving a name to the element ref like this. Okay, and just hit enter. Here we have write to simple code to change the color of the text. Okay, but before that we are going to the HTML file, and here we have write to some text na, for which we change the color. So like we have write what, just a hello world. Okay, we can see change the color of the hello world. Okay, we write it two times. Why? I will told you. First one is simple, but in second one we use the directive. Okay, so now see how we can use the directive. From this directive.ts file we have this selector. Okay, so we have to just use this selector, just copy it and paste it with the HTML tag. Okay, this selector. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so the HTML file is completed. The first one is normal paragraph tag in the HTML, but the second one is using the directive. Okay, so what we done in the directive, it will affect directly this one. Okay, where we apply the directive. Okay, or the directive select. Okay, yes. So now in our element ref in this file, now we have to write a simple code to change the color. So the code is like that. L means we have give the name of this one, this element ref. So L dot native element dot style, we have to change the style now. Okay, and what we have to change, its color. Okay, and what do you want to change the color, like we want a green color. Okay, okay, and that's it, and that's it. Okay, you have now, uh, when we go to our browser, okay, first of all we have to run this ng serve. So now this is the simple line to change the color, and it will affect where, in this hello world. Okay, we can just make it a hello world 2. Okay, because this is a hello world, so this hello world is printed simply as it is, but the hello world 2 is printed in what? Of course printed in the green color. It should be in green color. Now we can see if there is not any error, but this is a simple code for uh, changing the color with the help of directive. Okay, let's go to our browser. Okay, and open that, what, localhost 4200 port number, and here you can see, uh, I will just zoom it. You can see here hello world 2 is in the green color. So now you can see this is how much easy to use of the directives. Okay, so there are more properties you can learn from the Angular's official website. Okay, I will show you how the basic use of the directive, and now you can use different examples in that. Okay, so that's all for this video, and we will continue with the types of the directives in the next further videos. Okay, so thank you for this video.